What are some of the emerging trends sort of shaping this industry that Statseeker hopes to sort of capitalize on?
One thing about being in IT and networking in particular is things are always changing. Nothing ever stays the same. So some of the things we're seeing are the rise of edge computing, growth of IoT in devices, and increased demand for automation. Networks are just becoming more decentralized, and data flows are going across multiple environments. Visibility and speed are just becoming more critical than ever because so much is happening in so many different places. So we're enhancing those monitoring capabilities. We're improving support for hybrid cloud and edge infrastructure. We're really pushing hard and exploring integration with vendor APIs. Core of our product has always been SNMP, but we're getting out there and plugging into the vendor APIs now with like Meraki and Cisco ACI, for example, and just expanding those automation features to just help businesses stay ahead of their challenges. But again, while we're doing that, we're focused on maintaining the scalability. So businesses can rely on Statseeker now and as their networks are growing and becoming more complex and evolving.